When it comes to paneer curry, we all really love it, but when it's time to make it, we feel like no. It's better to just order it in because the process takes too long. Whether it's Shahi Paneer or Paneer Butter Masala or Matar Paneer, we feel like no, we won't put in that much effort. But there is one paneer recipe that gets ready in just minutes and tastes the best, and that is Amritsari Paneer Bhurji. So let's make that dish today in a simple way. So let's start cooking.
So here I have taken 1/4 cup.
Just as normal, I mean completely fresh.
I have taken yogurt, and it's neither sweet nor sour. So first of all, I'll add this to the yogurt. I have some dry spices here. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala. If you like it spicier, you can add more chili powder. We'll mix all of this into the yogurt. Now the yogurt is mixed, so I'll set it aside and we'll crush the ginger, garlic, and chili. We've crushed the ginger, chili, and garlic, so let's take them out. To make the bhurji, I'm taking a little oil in the pan. Bhurji tastes good in both oil and butter, so we'll use both. And I'll take about 2 spoons of butter. Once the oil and butter are hot, I add a spoon of gram flour and we'll roast this. As soon as the gram flour is lightly roasted, you'll see that I add it in here, and when a little bit of dried fenugreek leaves are fried with the gram flour, the aroma is really wonderful. Let's also add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now we'll add the ginger, garlic, and chili paste that we made earlier. And now let's add finely chopped onion. I've taken 1 medium-sized onion. Along with the onion, I'll add a little bit of salt. We need to saute the onion well until it turns a light golden color. The onions are nicely sauteed, so now it's time for the tomatoes. I've taken 3 medium-sized tomatoes. And now let's add the yogurt, in which we've already mixed the spices. Let's mix everything well once, and all the steps to make this bhurji. I'm doing them over medium heat, not high heat. Otherwise, the gram flour will burn and the yogurt will curdle. And now I've taken this paneer. You can also add homemade paneer if you want. I've taken store-bought paneer, just crumble it with your hands like this and add it. I've taken 300 grams of paneer. All right, in the end, let's mix everything well. And after that, if needed, add some hot water to adjust the consistency as required. Now this bhurji is quite thick, so at this point you can add a little hot water or even milk to it. All right. The delicious Amritsari Paneer Bhurji is finally ready. On top, I'm adding a little coriander. Now, what I'm adding is totally optional, but if you add it on top, it looks and tastes really nice. A few ginger juliennes, green chilies, and chopped fresh tomatoes.
So here it is, delicious and quick to make Amritsari Paneer Bhurji, which I have served with bread. It's done. Doesn't this look really delicious? When you need to make something quickly, this is the best recipe.